In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add payment methods on your Wix website 2025. To get started, log into your Wix dashboard. This is where you will manage your website settings, payments, and other business tools. Once you are inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar menu and click on Settings. This area contains the main controls for your website, including the payment setup options you will need. After that, select Accept Payments. This section is where Wix lets you connect the payment methods your customers can use at checkout. If you are setting up online payments for the first time, this page is especially important because it helps you choose which providers will handle your transactions. On the Accept Payments page, you may see the main built-in options first. If you want to explore more choices, scroll to the bottom of the page and click See More Payment Options. This is useful if you plan to use alternative third-party gateways, such as Stripe, Square, or Buy Now, Pay Later services. Expanding this section gives you a wider list of payment providers that may better match your business needs. Next, pay close attention to the business location shown in the top right corner of the page. This setting matters because Wix uses your selected country to display the payment providers that are available in your region. If the wrong country is selected, you may not see the payment methods you actually want to use. Make sure you choose the correct country for your business location. Once that is updated, Wix will load the payment options supported in that region. This makes it much easier to find the right provider and avoid setup issues later. Now go through the standard payment options available and locate the ones you want to offer on your checkout page. Think about what will be most convenient for your customers. Some businesses prefer card payments, while others may want to include digital wallets or other flexible payment services depending on availability. When you find the payment method you want to add, click the Connect button next to it. This will begin the setup process for that provider. From there, you can continue connecting the payment method based on the option you selected. That covers everything you need to know.